Hi children, welcome to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vichita Miss. I hope all of you are safe and healthy there in your home. Dear children, update your portions on time itself. Don't forget to write and study the difficult words, question answers, etc. You have to read the textbook very well. Dear children, now we are learning lesson 11, a visit to grandfather, right? I hope all of you read the textbook thoroughly. Did you study the question answers? We have already completed new words, question answers, etc. Right? Today we will learn a new topic, that is grammar. The title is pronouns. What's the name of the title? Pronouns. We have already studied naming words or nouns. Do you remember the naming words? What is a naming word? Yeah, a naming word is a name of a person, place, things or animals. You have already studied that, isn't it? Yeah. And now we have to study pronouns. This pronouns means the words that is used in the place of noun or naming word. A word that is used in the place of a noun. We shall go to some example. Then only you will be able to understand it more clearly. Okay? Read these sentences. We can see a picture here. This is Tina. She is happy. See the underlined words Tina and she. Here Tina is replaced by the word she. Tina is a naming word and she is a pronoun. Dear children, she is used for girl or woman. The pronoun she is used for girl or woman. That is for a singular noun. Yes, here you can see a picture. Here, let us read. Raju is a driver. He is driving a car. See the underlined words Raju and he. Raju is replaced by the word he. My dear children, we use the pronoun he for the word Raju. Raju is the name of a boy or a man. We use he for such a naming word. What is the word? He. We use he for the word Raju. Not only Raju, but a boy or a man. That is singular noun. Singular noun, singular naming word for a boy or a man. Read these sentences. First picture is a cat. This is a cat. It loves milk. See the underlined words cat and it. Second one is a rose. This is a rose. It is red in color. See the underlined words rose, it. Here, it is used in the place of cat. It is used in the place of cat and rose. Dear children, it is the pronoun that is used in the place of cat or rose. We can say that it is used in the place of animal or things. Read this sentence. I am Meenu. I am a teacher. I am Meenu. I am a teacher. See the underlined words. I. Here, I is used to represent Meenu. Meenu is saying about herself. Dear children, I is a pronoun that is used to introduce myself. Introduce myself means if you want to introduce yourself, you have to use the word I. Read these sentences. Hello Raju, you are so cute. Hello Raju, you are so cute. Underline words. Which are the underlined words? Raju, you. You is the pronoun that is used in the place of Raju. Here in the left side with red t-shirt is Raju. And here the boy with uniform is introducing Raju. He is asking Raju, Raju, you are so cute. My dear children, you is used in the place of the boy named Raju. Dear children, you is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Read these sentences. Rita and Tom are friends. They are singers. Rita and Tom are friends. They are singers. See the underlined words. Rita and Tom. Then they. They is the pronoun that is used in the place of Rita and Tom. Rita and Tom are two persons. When we are introducing two persons, when we are talking about other persons or things or animals, we use the pronoun they. We use the pronoun they. Read these sentences. This is my family. We stay in a big house. See the underlined words. My family, we. We is used in the place of my family. We is the pronoun that is used in the place of my family. My dear children, we is used when I am talking about myself along with others. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. So my dear children, what is a pronouns or what are pronouns? The words that is used in the place of nouns or naming words are called pronouns. Okay? Dear children, which are the pronouns? I, you, they, we, he, she, it. And in our lesson, we have to study only I, you and we. Okay? My dear children, I hope you have understood what is a pronoun and its examples. Okay? So, a pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Which are the examples? Yeah. He, she, it, I, you, they, we. These are the pronouns. And here you have to study only 3 pronouns. Which are they? Yeah, I, you and we. So my dear children, I have attached a note of this lesson. Go through it. I have also attached an activity based on this lesson. Go through it and do it by yourself. My dear children, tomorrow we will discuss the textual activities based on these pronouns. Okay? We will discuss the textual exercises of this pronoun on tomorrow or the next day. Okay? Till then, take care. Thank you.